Do you know how to install SQL Server on Mac? This is Kripal from Know How Academy. So let's start with me. Today we are going to see how to install virtual machine in Mac, Windows installation in VM and SQL Server installation. You need to search for first of all VirtualBox in your browser. Then you need to download VirtualBox in Mac operating system. Click on the download and search for and click on the Mac OS. Wait until it's download. Then double click and open that .dmg file and double click on virtual.pkg file and click on continue to install. Here you need to give your administrator password to install that VirtualBox in your Mac machine. Wait until it's finished. Close it, then move it to bin. After downloading the virtual machine and installing a virtual machine in your Mac, you need to download Windows ISO file in your Mac machine. So how to download Windows ISO file in your Mac machine? So search for Windows ISO file for download. Click on the first link. Then select the edition for which you want to download the ISO file. So I am selecting Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and click on confirm. Then select the language. So I am selecting English language and then click on confirm. Then you need to select the 32-bit version download or 64-bit version download. Here I am selecting 64-bit download version. So it will be downloaded within 10 to 12 minutes. Wait until it's download. Now let's install Windows in virtual machine. Click on New. Give your Windows operating system name and select the ISO file. This ISO file is Windows operating ISO file. Click on Next. Then give username and password of your Windows operating system. See here, next button is not visible. Why? Because the reason is that here you need to give host name without space. So give a host name without space so that next button will be enabled, and you need to click on next button. Then keep hardware configuration as it is. Click on next, select a virtual hard disk and click on finish. Now your Windows operating system is installed in your Mac machine via VirtualBox. Wait until it's finished. Now Windows operating system is installed. Now let's install SQL Server. Now in your Windows operating system, open the browser and search for SQL Server. There are two editions of SQL Server, Developer Edition and Express Edition. We need to download Developer Edition. Select the basic and click on accept and click on install. Wait until it's finished. After installing SQL Server, you need to install SSMS. SSMS is a graphical user interface to interact with SQL Server. Wait until it's finished. Then again click and install the SSMS. Once it is done, you need to search for SQL Server Management Studio and double click and open it. Here you need to click on connect to connect to the SQL server. So here we are connected to SQL server. Okay. In case if you are getting an error while connecting like this, so what you need to do? You need to click on OK and click on Options. Here you need to check Trusted Server Certificate and again click on Connect. So the error will go and you will be connected to the SQL server. Thank you for choosing Know How Academy as your source of IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out us. It has been a pleasure to share this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.